Fire Pit Design 101. Which style is right for you? 5 popular styles. So, you've decided to add a fire pit to your backyard. Awesome! You go online, you type in fire pit, and whoa! Suddenly, you're looking at rustic stone circles, sleek concrete boxes, steel bowls, fire tables. It can be overwhelming. A fire pit isn't just one thing anymore. The style you choose is going to set the entire tone for your outdoor space. So today, we're doing a Fire Pit Design 101. We're breaking down the 5 most popular styles to help you figure out which one is right for you. Style 1, the rustic traditional. This is the one you probably picture in your head. It's classic, it's timeless. It's usually made from materials like stacked fieldstone, flagstone, or brick. It's almost always round, which is great for conversation. This style is perfect if your home is a little more traditional, like a colonial, a craftsman, or a farmhouse. It's designed to look natural, like it's always been there. It works beautifully with Adirondack chairs and a gravel patio. Style 2, the modern minimalist. Now, for the complete opposite. The modern fire pit is all about clean lines, simple shapes, and industrial materials. We're talking square or long linear pits. The materials are key here. Think smooth poured concrete, dark steel, or that cool rusty-looking Corten steel. These are almost always gas-powered because the clean flames match the clean design. This is the perfect fit for a new build home, a mid-century modern, or any backyard that has a sleek minimalist vibe. Style 3, the portable and smokeless pit. This style has exploded in popularity, and for good reason. This category includes everything from a simple, cheap metal fire bowl to those high-tech stainless steel smokeless pits. The big advantage here is flexibility. You can move it around. And if you get a smokeless one, like a solo stove, it uses a special airflow system to burn off the smoke. It's amazing. This is the perfect style for someone who rents, has a smaller yard, or just doesn't want to commit to a permanent structure. Style 4, the DIY paver kit. This is for the weekend warriors. You want the look of a permanent custom stone pit, but you don't want to pay a mason $5,000. You can go to any big box hardware store and buy a fire pit kit. It comes with all of the pre-cut wedge-shaped paver stones. It's like adult Legos. You just level a spot, stack them up, glue them together, and by Saturday afternoon, you have a beautiful, permanent-looking fire pit. It's the best of both worlds. Finally, we have the luxury fire table. This is a feature that's all about function. It's a coffee table and a fire pit, all in one. These are almost always propane powered. You get a nice wide ledge around the fire where you can actually set down a drink or a plate. It's super social. It's the ultimate outdoor living room piece. It's less about being a rustic campfire and more about being a sleek, functional, and warm centerpiece for your patio furniture. So, from rustic to modern, DIY to high-tech, the style you pick just needs to match your house and, more importantly, match how you want to use it. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know which style is your favorite in the comments. See ya!